My name is Kira Hagland, and I'm a licensed therapist, a somatic experiencing practitioner, and a yoga teacher of like 19 years here in Los Angeles, California. A couple of weeks ago, I took the Up and Down workshop. And I don't normally do this. I don't respond to surveys often. I tend to run away from feedback forms. But this workshop was so special that I am taking the time to actually record a video about it because I want everyone to know. It is such a beautiful weekend. It is fun, it's playful, it's so full of discovery and connection, and it's so smart. I initially went just to see what other colleagues were doing in the somatic field. I tend to work in the world of somatic based trauma resolution, and I knew Irene Lyon from training with her years ago. She and Elia just created such an incredible space about really learning embodiment and regulation and play and I guess recapturing the importance of our humanity in so many ways. I know that sounds kind of heavy, but the work is brilliantly laid down. It is so deep and yet seems so simple. But if you are struggling with, not even struggling, if you just want to connect more deeply with yourself, how to be in the world, maybe manage some anxiety, as well as develop like a bigger capacity for your life, I'd recommend checking it out. Like, actually go on and just register for one of their workshops right now because it's so good. Thanks. Bye.